Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make clear gluten-free dumpling wrappers. Now these are the same wrappers that you see on the shrimp dumplings, and I just thought after teaching you guys how to make the wheat dough wrappers, I would show you guys how to make these clear gluten-free ones as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. So I'm going to start off with 1 cup of wheat starch along with 1/3 cup of potato starch and then a pinch of salt. Recipe is going to be all down below. Now this recipe is quite finicky. It needs 2/3 cup of boiling hot water. Make sure that it is fresh off the press because it needs to start activating some of those starches. You can see it kind of thickening up right now because otherwise the texture is just not going to be right. So take a pair of chopsticks and just mix it around, and the mixture should be pretty dry, so it should end up looking a bit sandy like this. After around a minute of mixing, you just want to put a plate right on top and leave the mixture for right around 2 minutes, because it is in this 2 minutes that the starches will have time to absorb all of that water, and you'll actually feel the texture change a little bit more. It gets, just a little bit more moist. So after that, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, and using your hands, you just want to squeeze that vegetable oil in. Because there is no gluten, you don't really have to worry about, over mixing it or over kneading it. Just be very diligent in getting all of that mixture in and then forming a nice ball. So if you're not using it immediately, remember to just put a cover on it or put it into a bag because it does dry out very quickly. Otherwise, just divide it up into 16 pieces and they are ready to be rolled. So we're just using our usual tricks and techniques because we had it rolled into a log already. When we cut it, that cross section is already a disc. So just flatten it out like this. Again, put it back into the bag to keep it nice and moist. And then afterwards, when you're going to use it, just roll it out like so. Now, this is a fairly finicky dough. You need to get the measurements pretty on the mark. So a good way to test this out is to simply just roll it out. And if you see that it cracks a lot, if you see that, while you're folding it, it doesn't really work, it's either, it's either too soft or it's too dry, in which case you can add in maybe a little bit more oil or just a little bit more wheat starch or potato starch to this. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. And of course, we will be finishing these dumplings, and I'll be showing you guys how to make those triangular dumplings that you saw right at the beginning of the clip. But for now, I thought it was really important that you guys knew how to do this. So as usual, of course, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye.